Friends, today we are going to solve a question from TIFR 2023, and this is the part of atomic physics. Okay, in that question they have given the minimum energy required to dissociate hydrogen molecule into two atoms. That energy requirement is given, that is, we need that energy, that is 4.5 electron volts. Okay, and also they have provided the electron affinity of a hydrogen atom. Okay, that value is given, that is 0.75 electron volts. Okay, then they have asked how much energy is required to dissociate a hydrogen molecule into H plus and H minus ions. So how much energy is required for this? We have to calculate. Okay. Okay. So first of all, energy required. Okay. So basically I am doing that solution. Energy required. So first we have to break that H2 into two atoms. Okay, let us assume that energy requirement, that is ion, and that value basically given, energy requirement, that is 4.5 electron volt, right? Now I have H2H. Okay, now to make this one hydrogen atom into H plus, okay, I have to supply that energy, that is, let us assume how much this energy, let us assume that is E2. To make hydrogen atom into H plus ion, basically I am removing that electron from ground state. So minimum energy requirement to remove this electron from ground state, that will be how much? That will be 13.6 electron volt. Okay, so this will be the energy requirement for the system ion to break or dissociate H2 molecule into H plus H plus H, and to make one hydrogen atom into H plus, we further need E2, and that is nothing but 13.6 electron volt. Okay, so you have one electron H plus, and you have one electron. Okay, now energy release. So energy release will be how much? So this, when this electron will be absorbed by this hydrogen atom, it will basically be converted into H minus, and energy release for this phenomena will be how much? That will be nothing but electron affinity, value of electron affinity. So energy release will be how much? E3, and that will be 0.75 electron volt. So the value of energy release will be nothing but the value of electron affinity, and that is given 0.75 electron volt. So the electron affinity is nothing but energy release during energy release from the atom when you are adding on electron on that atom. Okay, so that energy release will be how much? 0.75 electron volt. So this is the energy release, that is E3, 0.75 electron volt, and energy required, that is ion and E2. Ion is 4.5 electron volt and E2 is 13.6 electron volt. So net energy
required to make hydrogen molecule into H plus H minus. So that net energy E will be, okay, E1 plus E2, that you have to give from external source, but you will get some energy in the form of heat or other form because of that adding of electron in this atom. So net energy required, that will be E1 plus E2, and obviously there is a release of energy E3, so I have to subtract that. So it will be E3 minus E3. So E1 is how much? This is 4.5 electron volt, E2 is 13.6 electron volt, and of course E3 is 0.75 electron volt. Okay, so if you basically calculate, have calculated it, so you will get 17.35 electron volt. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Thank you.